Land and water continued. The Sierra Nevada mountains in the south and the Cascade Mountains in the north form the second long line of the H. These mountains are covered with forests. The rocks of the Sierra Nevada mountains are the remains of ancient magma chambers that fed volcanoes and then eroded away. Those volcanoes are extinct, but some volcanoes are still active. Volcanic eruptions happen, but not often. A famous eruption happened in 1980 when Mount St. Helens erupted explosively. This eruption destroyed 215 square miles of forest, melted ice, and snow on the mountain, and caused landslides and floods. Animals were killed and some people lost their lives. Several valleys lie in between the Coast Ranges, the Sierra Nevada mountains and the Cascade Mountains. Two of the valleys, Central Valley and Willamette Valley, are covered with deep, rich soil. Many rivers travel through these two valleys. The Great Basin lies in the middle of the West region. A basin is a low, bowl-shaped landform that is lower than the land around it. The broad, flat valley of the Great Basin is mostly covered by the Great Basin Desert and the Mojave Desert. The Great Basin Desert is the largest desert in the United States. Death Valley, a part of the Mojave Desert, is the hottest, driest, and lowest place in the United States. Death Valley is 282 feet below sea level. The highest temperature ever recorded in Death Valley was 134 degrees. Believe it or not, the West region also has a rainforest. The rainforest that runs along the Pacific coast from California all the way to Alaska is the largest temperate rainforest in the world. Temperate rainforests are very wet, ancient forests that rarely freeze or get very hot. Temperate rainforests are also close to the ocean. Some of the large, old trees, such as the giant redwoods, Sitka spruce, and western hemlock, reach over 300 feet tall and live over 500 years. Sidebar 1. The high, jagged peaks of the Sierra Nevada mountains surround the fertile soil of the Central Valley. Sidebar 2. These giant redwood trees are part of the temperate rainforest in the West region.